If you ever looked at your waves and thought they were better last week, or why do they look different every single week? One week they're laid, next week they're frizzy, then they come back, then they fall off again. This video is for you because your waves are not random, they're reacting. And once you realize what they're reacting to, your progress starts to make sense. A lot of wavers think wave progress is supposed to be linear. Like when your waves come in, they're only supposed to get better every week. But waves don't work like that. Waves respond to habits. So when your habits change, your waves change with them. So if your waves look different every week, it's not bad hair, it's not bad genetics, it's just inconsistency showing up in your pattern. Your waves only show what you've been doing recently, not what you did last month, not what you once did, what you've been repeating. So when wavers say, my waves look better than before, that usually means your habits were better before. So let's get into reason number one. Your routine is not stable. One of the biggest reasons why your waves look different week to week is because most wavers don't have a locked routine. One week, you brush twice a day, you rag up on time, you stay consistent. The next week, you miss sessions, you change your brush order, you rush brushing, then you fall asleep without a do-rag. Your waves feel every single one of those changes. Waves are trained through repetition, not motivation. So if your routine changes every week, your waves never get a chance to settle. Your waves aren't confused, they're being retrained. Reason number two, you're trimming or cutting too often. Every time you cut low, you reset depth. Depth is what makes your wave stable. So if you cut it too frequently, your waves is gonna look sharp one week, then they're gonna look weak the next, then uneven after that. Especially if you go and cut before your pattern even locks back in. That doesn't mean don't cut. That just means don't rush it. Your waves need time to develop, and letting them develop creates consistency. Reason number three, your product usage is random. And this one catches a lot of people off guard. If you change up how often you're using your products, your waves is going to change right along with them. One week, it's heavy butter, lots of oil, your hair is laid but flat. Next week, barely any product, your hair is dry, then the frizz pops up. Product doesn't build waves. It only affects how they look short term. So if you feel like your waves was looking deeper last week, a lot of the times that's just the product, not progress. Consistency and moisture creates consistency and appearance. Reason number four, your compression is inconsistent. Compression is one of the most underrated parts of waving. Some nights you go to sleep with your rag on, some nights you go to sleep with your rag off. Some nights your rag is tight, some nights your rag is loose. Your waves will look different every morning. Compression tells your waves to stay here. Without it, your pattern loosens, frizz returns, your connections look weak. That's why some mornings your waves look elite, and other mornings it looks like you never even brushed. Same hair, different compression. Reason number five, you're comparing different stages. This one is more mental than physical. A lot of wavers compare post-wash waves to fresh cut waves and week-old waves and expect them all to look the same. They won't. Your waves after a wash and style are not supposed to look the same as dry 3-day waves. You're not losing progress. You're just noticing your waves in different conditions. You're confusing it with inconsistency. If you want your waves to look more consistent week to week, focus on these 5 things. Same brush times, same angles, same routine order, same product amount, and same compression habits. Your hair doesn't need variety. It needs repetition. The more boring your routine feels, the more stable your waves will become. Your waves don't fall off randomly. They respond honestly. So if your waves look different week to week, that's not failure, that's feedback. Fix the habits and the pattern will respond. Consistency isn't exciting, but it's undefeated. And if this helps you understand your progress better, hit subscribe. I break down real wave problems here. So stay disciplined, stay patient, and trust the process.